status in 1 generation. Let me repeat. The president, who is our thought leader, has helped us to envisage a new Kenya. We have come to the firm and irrevocable conclusion that it is possible to transform the economy of Kenya from third world economic status to first world economic status in 1 generation. And that's why Kenyans must be very, very firm and refuse any policy disruption that can roll us back. Because Africa and the developing world suffers from policy disruption. Unasikia mtu anasema atabomoa affordable housing, atabomoa SHA, atabomoa sijui nini. We need continuity. We need continuity, not for 5 years, not for 10 years, not for 20 years, not for 30 years, 40, 50 years of continuity to transform our country. Other countries have done it. South Korea did it. Malaysia did it. Singapore did it. China did it. Kenya can do it. Ni fire, si fire. Ni fire, si fire. So the president has told us we must modernize our infrastructure, have more roads and superior roads. And if we continue at the pace we are doing things, we will not achieve this dream. That is why we have come up with the National Infrastructure Fund, which was in our manifesto. We had said in our manifesto that we will bring the National Infrastructure Fund. We have now brought it. The National Infrastructure Fund will help us get enough resources to build enough roads for our country. And therefore, since 1963 to now, we have built 20,000 kilometers of road. During a similar period, Japan has built 1.1 million kilometers of road. So, President Ruto has said 1963 to now, 20,000 kilometers of road. The next 7 years, 28,000 kilometers of road. Pesa tutapata wapi? Kwa National Infrastructure Fund. Ama namna gani jameni? Wale wanapinga National Infrastructure Fund, unapinga barabara. Na mnapinga uchumi wa Kenya. Ni kweli si kweli? Ni kweli si kweli? So we have to modernize our roads. We have to have money to modernize our roads. And you have seen, we have paid all the contractors for the stalled road projects. We have started dueling Rironi, Mau Summit Road. Ni kweli si kweli? And we have so many other dual carriageways we want to do, including Machakos Turnoff to Emali, including Kitengela to Namanga, including Marwa, Nanyuki, Isiolo, Makutano, Embu, Meru, and so many other roads across the country. Hii Rironi Mau Summit, haitakomea Mau Summit. Branch moja itaenda Eldoret, iende Bungoma, iende Malaba. Hii ingine itatoka hapa Mau Summit, iende Kericho, iende Kisumu, iende mpaka Malaba, Busia, iende Busia. That is what we are doing for our country. We need more roads now, not tomorrow. Now, not tomorrow. We need to increase our railway from Naivasha and take it to the border with Uganda, and then we connect with the rest of the region. The railway construction from Naivasha to Malaba, in a few months, President Ruto is going to break ground. And we have not borrowed money. The first SGR we built using debt. This one, we are building using innovative funding models. We are using our own resources. Hata hii Rironi Mau Summit, hakuna deni. Na hakuna kuongeza kodi. Niseme nisiseme? Niseme niseme? Silimulisikia wale watu walikuwa wanaita bosi yangu Zakayo. Si uliwasikia? Those characters, they are in for a rude shock. Because, you see, the president is a scientist, but he is also a thought leader. He understands that to build a nation, you don't look for short-term populism, quick fixes that will evaporate the next week. You must plan long-term. Even if it is turbulent now, you must plan long-term. Like a captain of a long haul, a long flight. If you are the captain of a long flight, 15 hours flight, you must plan the whole journey. Do not be disrupted by the turbulence during takeoff. You must steady the ship. You must steady the vehicle until you reach where you are reaching. Niseme nisiseme? Hii ujinga ya kutafuta umaarufu wa leo ambao utaisha kesho, tuwache kama Wakenya jameni. Isn't it? Now, mumesikia waziri wetu wa fedha anafanya public participation ya budget. Niseme nisiseme? Niseme nisiseme? Because now the ship is a bit steady. Because now we are on the cruising level. The turbulence is gone. The plane now is stable. It is steady. President Ruto is bringing legislation, tax amendment laws. This February, tunaweka sheria bunge, tukiongozwa na William Ruto. Any Kenyan earning below 30,000 will not pay tax. Ni fire si fire. Ni fire si fire. Wale watu ya Zakayo wamezama, wajazama. Watu ya Zakayo wamezama.